Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I'm reviewing Chris Davies' Traffic Lane Coaching Secrets to Success program. It's a new coaching program, a video course that Chris Davies of Higher Standards Carpet Cleaning has just recently dropped, sharing all of the things that he's learned growing and scaling his carpet cleaning business in an ultra cool, awesome new video course. And I'm going to be running you through it and doing my review on that course in this video. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I am the owner of a company called AGB, or Ads Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis, through our specialist program, or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in and check out Chris Davies' new course. Okay, so Chris Davies and his new coaching program, helping carpet cleaners take things to that next level with his lessons from what he's learned on the business end of running a carpet cleaning business. And I'm going to do a review on his new course, on his new program right now, and walk you through it. So let's talk about Chris Davies first of all. He is the owner of a carpet cleaning business called Higher Standards Carpet Cleaning. They have over 350 five-star reviews within the first 18 months of opening their doors. And he, as an entrepreneur, as a carpet cleaning business owner, he works less than 40 hours a week as an owner-operator, generating $25,000 to $30,000 in revenue every month consistently. And he has an annual salary with one van in operation of $100,000 plus per year. That's his take-home profit in the bank, his personal money that he's generating from this carpet cleaning business. So he really knows his stuff. He really knows what he's talking about. He's been very successful in a short amount of time, and he's actually one of our clients. He's been working with us for a good couple of years now, and we did an interview with him previously. So if you haven't checked that out, do go and check it out. It's there on the YouTube channel. You get to hear Chris's full story, and it really is quite remarkable. So do go check that out. So that's Chris Davies, and off the back of that success, he's decided, almost like us, do you know what I mean? He's on that mission to help as many carpet cleaning business owners as possible take their carpet cleaning business to the next level. One of the things that me and Chris agree on is that there's a lot of people out there in the carpet cleaning world that almost give the wrong kind of advice, and he's trying to kind of put that wrong right, and he wanted to make this course, you know, like with AGB, Ads Grow Business, with my company, what we do is we'll implement a marketing system inside your business that will generate an abundance of inquiries and jobs straight to your cell phone. And that's the exact system that Chris used to grow and scale his business. What Chris has done here with this course is he's put a course together that teaches a lot of these carpet cleaners the business end, the business skills needed to take that business to that next level. So, you know, there's a lot of guys out there that are amazing carpet cleaners that are great at getting the stain out of the carpet or whatever, but they maybe don't have, or they lack a few of those key core business skills required just to kind of take that next step up. And like I say, there's a lot of people out there, and I've seen it myself, and I made YouTube videos on it. There's a lot of people out there that are giving like the wrong advice. So Chris wanted to put this course together to kind of share what he's learned, what's been successful, and hopefully help other carpet cleaners stay on the right track and be successful too. So let's do a little review of the course. Let's walk you through it. So first of all, let's click into here, and what you'll find, what you have is there's basically 6 videos. So if we click here, the first video, the title of it is Pricing for Profit, Keeping Up with Inflation. And he really talks about sort of pricing per area. So like 3 rooms is X dollars, 2 rooms is X dollars, versus pricing per square foot, and kind of like how he has priced his business to be profitable, also competitive, and basically all his hacks and cracks around pricing. And I I think this is huge because getting the pricing right can really make or break your business. If you're too expensive, man, like people are just not going to hire you. But if you're too cheap, you're going to get like bad customers. And it's about getting that balance right so that your overheads are covered, so that you're turning a nice profit, but your business is affordable for the broad range of potential customers in your area. So the first video is something that people struggle with a lot, I think, the pricing aspect. And he's really lifted the hood on everything that he does in that first video in terms of pricing. It's an incredible, valuable video. And I think that video alone makes it worth signing up to because it really is awesome. The next video is timely tipping, how to average $100 in tips per day is basically what the second video is. I watched this. I'm not going to give all of his information away, of course, but this video is an amazing video. It's a great hack. It really, really, really is. And it will allow you to consistently get tips and stuff like that on autopilot, which I think is absolutely huge. And again, something that I've not really seen anybody else talk about before. And his system of getting tips on every single job is truly amazing. The next one, video 3, is all about how to get reviews. Right now, like people are searching on Google, carpet cleaner near me, and on that Google My Business listing. And one of the things, we all do this, I do this. If I'm looking at booking a restaurant, I'm looking at the reviews. If I'm going to go and book a hotel, I'm looking at the reviews. And it's the same with this. Reviews are everything in this day and age. And Chris, in this training video 3 here, he really lifts the lid on how he's able to consistently generate reviews, how he was able to get 350 reviews, 5-star plus reviews within the first 18 months. His system for doing that, he walks you through it. Absolutely brilliant. Video 4, massive. He talks about marketing, lead generation, how to fill the schedule up and all that with jobs, which is obviously, once you've got your pricing on point and you've got all these systems in place, the next thing is like how to actually get jobs, which is probably the biggest challenge for any small business owner, is finding those new customers and finding them consistently. It's probably the thing that keeps most of us awake at night. Where's the next job coming from? Or if you wake up on a Monday morning and the schedule's empty and stuff like that. And he walks you through all the things that he's done to fill his schedule up. So one of the main things that he's talking about in this video is actually working with us, actually, do you know what I mean? And how we were able to fill his schedule up with jobs with our specialist system. So yeah, you'll hear him talking about us in that video and how we've helped change the face of his carpet cleaning business. And having watched that, if you would like to find out more about working with us, do head down to the description of this video where you'll find out more about signing up for a call with us so that we can run you through our system. So that's video number 4, super awesome. Video 5, which I think is really, really interesting as well, and I think really awesome. The topic of video 5 is no nonsense communication. And I think this is really important with your customers, managing their expectations, letting them know what to expect on the day, making sure the customer has everything organized on their end. If some furniture needs to be moved, that needs to obviously be done before the arrival of the carpet cleaner so as not to slow the job down, all of that kind of stuff. So communication with the customer is super important, and Chris walks you through all of the stuff that he does around that in video 5. And then we move on to video 6, the final video. And again, this is something super, super important for all business owners. It's all about finances, managing your finances, making sure that you turn in a profit, making sure that you have the necessary things in place so that your carpet cleaning business is profitable, so that the finances are managed correctly, because cash flow is king. And if you don't have the necessary systems in place to manage the finances inside your business, that can make or break your business. And these are some of the core skills that some people are missing. They're great on the tools, they're great with people, they're great at getting that stain out of the carpet. And I see myself, people inside Facebook groups all the time, carpet cleaning Facebook groups, asking questions about like how to get that stain out of that rug, or showing off the new van wrap, or talking about truck mounts and this and that, or talking about chemicals and the different solutions to do different jobs. But some of the really important business stuff, like managing your finances, you don't really hear people talking about. That doesn't really come up that much. And these are really important things for you to have that successful carpet cleaning business. And so Chris has tackled all of that business stuff inside this coaching program, specifically for the floor cleaning industry. I absolutely cannot recommend it enough. I believe it's $200 to sign up. It's a one-time fee. And I think, there's 6 really impactful videos in here. And I think for $200, I think it's worth absolutely every penny, and it's really going to help you guys to have that extra knowledge to take your business to that next level. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, then head again down to the description below where you'll find a link to get more information on all that cool stuff and schedule a call with us. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.